In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed an NPS or Net Promoter Score to your site in WordPress. NPS is a powerful tool for collecting feedback from your visitors, giving you insights into their satisfaction and loyalty. By embedding this feature directly into your website, you'll make it easy for users to share their opinions without any hassle, and you'll gain valuable data to improve their overall experience. If you're ready to take your website's user engagement to the next level, let's get started. First, head over to WordPress.com. This is the platform where you'll manage your WordPress site and make any necessary edits. Once you're there, look for the Login button, which is typically located in the top right corner of the page, and click on it. For a quick and secure way to log in, select Continue with Google. This method works perfectly if your WordPress account is already connected to a Gmail address, saving you time and reducing the hassle of remembering additional passwords. Once you click that option, a list of Google accounts associated with your browser will appear. Choose the account that's linked to your WordPress site. Now be careful here. Selecting the wrong Google account could log you into an entirely different WordPress site, so double-check before moving forward. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your site's dashboard. This is the central hub for managing all aspects of your WordPress website. From here, look at the right-hand panel and find the section labeled Quick Links. Within this section, there's an option called Edit Site. Go ahead and click on that. Now you're in the WordPress editor interface where you can make changes to your website's content and layout. In the top left corner of this screen, you'll see an Add button. Click on it, and you'll notice a search bar appears. This search bar is a handy tool for quickly finding specific blocks or features you want to add to your site. Type NPS into the search bar and hit Enter. From the search results, look for the NPS block and click on it. This block is specifically designed to capture Net Promoter Score feedback from your visitors. Once you select it, the NPS block will be added directly to your page. At this point, it's fully functional and ready for your visitors to use. They'll now be able to rate their experience and provide you with valuable feedback. And that's it. You've just learned how to embed an NPS block into your WordPress site. By doing this, you've made it easier than ever to collect feedback and understand how your visitors feel about their experience. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.